Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study effectively Collin the Chad step by step. Start by choosing one subject and schedule 2 focus sessions today. Use a timer to block distractions and commit to active recall during each session. Write a brief summary after every session and identify the top 3 points to review tomorrow. Keep materials organized so you can jump right into study without wasting time. Begin by selecting one core topic and create 3 flashcards that target the hardest ideas. Read a short passage, then close the book and recite the main points allowed to practice retrieval. Solve 2 example problems with a timer to simulate exam pressure and improve fluency. End with a 1-minute teach-back to an imaginary friend to clarify weak spots and strengthen memory connections for future sessions. Start your day by listing the 3 most important tasks and assign time blocks for each. Schedule focused work blocks of 25 to 50 minutes and insert predictable short breaks to recharge. Protect your study blocks by turning off non-essential notifications and setting a single check time for messages. Treat study like an appointment so you respect the calendar and gradually build consistent productive habits without burning out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.